So ito pag-usapan po natin kasi naglabas ang Rappler ng article tungkol sa Empire 999 at yung mga individual na involved dito. So itong Empire 999 ay yung may warehouse na nahulihan po ng 3.6 billion worth of illegal drugs dyan po sa Pampanga. At yung mga may-ari na dalawang Chinese ay naiko-connecta dito po kay Michael Yang at kay dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte. Okay, yan po yung lumalabas dun sa investigasyon ng Quadcom. Kaya napaka-importante po ng kumpanya na yan dyan sa Pampanga. So, according dito sa article, the Quadcom recommends the filing of appropriate charges to personalities linked to illegal drug trade, particularly those implicated in the seizure of 360 kilograms of shabu in Mexico, Pampanga. Yun po yung si Willie Ong. Hindi ito yung Willie Ong na sikat na kaibigan natin. Itong si A.D. Yang, si former Mayor Teddy Tumang, and all the incorporators of Empire 999. Okay? So, yun po yung sinabi ni Congressman Ace Barbers, pinapakasuhan po ng Quadcom. Okay, so, ano ba yung mga posibleng link? Ano ba yung storya nitong Empire 999 na to? Itong Empire 999 was incorporated in 2015 by Ong, Yang, and 3 others as a leasing company based out of Binondo. Yun, since it was identified as the owner of the warehouse, the SEC revoked the company's registration and disqualified the 5 incorporators from being director of any company for 5 years. Ayan. In the order of SEC nung 2024, July, Empire 999 was also penalized because as a real estate company, it did not register with other required government agencies. The SEC said the Binondo address was fake. The company did not have an office there. Ayan. The name A.D. Yang and Willie Ong may be aliases indicated by their non-existence in immigration logs, according sa Rappler. Barber said their Philippine passports have already been cancelled. Ong left the country in 2022, while Yang has had no departure record according to travel records under their Chinese name. So, naka-escape po na. Okay? na. In October, Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin requested AMLAC to freeze the assets of Empire 999 as well as 3 other companies where Yang holds director positions. Sunflare, Yatay, tsaka Mexico 999. Okay? So, nakikita nyo yung link dito doon po sa lugar. A.D. Yang and Ong never appeared before the Quad Committee. They have been put on the Immigration Lookout Bulletin Order. Only Tumang appeared in the hearing on November 2027 where he downplayed his relations to the two, but the interpellation was cut because he complained of high blood pressure. Ayun, pero yung sinasabi nga doon sa interpellation, doon sa kay Tumang, he was trying to distance himself. Nilalayo niya yung sarili niya, even to the point of saying na parang hindi niya halos kakilala. Pero maraming ebidensya yung Kongreso na magkakilala itong si Tumang tsaka yung mga negosyante na yun, sila A.D. Yang. Kaya tumaas yung blood pressure, nagpa-hospital siguro, na-contempt itong si Tumang. Okay? So, ito yung according to the Rappler article, links to Michael Yang. Okay? In Mexico 999, which incorporated in 2018 as a real estate company, ayan, A.D. Yang's co-incorporator is Lincoln Ong, who was an officer in Pharmally, the pandemic contractor flagged for anomalous deals no kay Duterte. So, konektado. Sila yung mga incorporator. Pharmally, itong sa Mexico 999. Di ba? Mga pangalan, pare-parehong pangalan yung lumulutang. Di ba? Pharmally's financier and guarantor was Michael Yang, the former presidential economic advisor of Rodrigo Duterte until nationality issues were raised against him. Another company with a link to Michael Yang is Golden Sun 999, whose 2023 officers include, ito na, A.D. Yang, Jason Uson, Rose Nonolin, no, na yan, yung lumalaban din sa Novaliches, sumusubok mag-congresswoman, di ba, kalaban yung sila Kong P.M. Vargas, di ba, na, ito, nalilink nga dito tapos Uson and Lin are Michael Yang's co-directors in several companies. Lin is married to Lin Wei-xiong, Pharmalist financial manager indicted for graft and has been linked to illegal drug trade by the current PDEA na agency. So, ito, according to AKOP, okay, madami at paulit-ulit na ang koneksyon na lumilitaw si Michael Yang sa business na droga, pero nakapagtataka rin na sa gitna ng state policy na war on drugs, where thousands were killed, kahit sabi-sabi lang ang basis, wala pa rin nakakagalaw kay Michael Yang. In contrast, naging successful pa ang kanyang mga business. Di ba? Nag-expand pa, nagkaroon ng real estate, nagkaroon ng mga Pharmally at mga Pogo, interconnected lahat eh. Yan yung binubusisi ng Quadcom. Sana mas ma-appreciate ng mga tao yung ginagawa nila at kung gaano kahirap yung ginagawa nila. So, ayun. So, nag-present ng Matrix itong si AKOP. Last November, Yang's lawyer, Raymond Fortune, acknowledged a request for comment we sent in connection with this Dubai property. O, yun. So, according to a list from the Land Registration Authority, there are 30 parcels of land owned by Empire 999 spread across Maykawayan, San Fernando, Pampanga, Cabanatuan City. Ong, on the other hand, yung partner ng AD Yang, was linked to 71 parcels of land and AD Yang with 11. So, ang dami nilang mga lupa. Anong gagawin nila sa mga lupa na yan? Posible kayang Pogo, posible kayang parang dun sa Mexico na nahulihan ng... there were massive illegal land acquisitions involving hundreds of hectares of agricultural land in direct violation of our Constitution. Puro Chinese tong mga to eh, itong dalawang yun eh. Under the Comprehensive Agrarian Law, agricultural lands are subject to retention limits. Ayun eh. Kailangan yung corporation with a minimum 60% Filipino ownership. Kaso, hindi pasok doon yung Empire 999. Kaya doon pa lang malaking problema na eh. In Mexico, Pampanga, kung saan naging mayor itong si Tumang, okay, Empire 999 and Ong own 2 parcels of agricultural land. Mexico 999s own 23 parcels of agricultural lands. And the Yatay Industrial Park owns 18 parcels of agricultural lands. So, ang dami nilang nabili, lahat sa Mexico, lahat. Ang dami nilang mga lupa doon sa Mexico. At illegal nga yun kasi hindi naman Pilipino yung 60% owner ng mga korporasyon na sinasabi po natin. Kaya, nakakatakot po how they were able to consolidate power. May nakaupo. Kumbaga si Alice Guo, isang ano lang eh, isang piece of the very big puzzle. Bukod diyan sa Bamban, itong Mexico, parang ganun din lumalabas. Ganun din, kaya nakakatakot yung extent nung pwedeng ano ito. Kaya siguro ganun na lang na high blood itong si Tumang nung siya na yung tinatanong kasi maraming mauungkat, maraming malalaman tungkol sa mga business operations kung saan bilyon-bilyong piso halaga ang umiikot na pera. At maraming mga illegal na activities ang na-realize na lumalabas ngayon. Kaya isa lang po yan. Unang article pa lang po, isang article pala itong pinag-uusapan po natin. We will delve deeper dito po sa Empire 999 dahil napaka-importante po niyang kampanya na yan. Dahil yan ang isang korporasyon na maaring magpahamak kay Digong. Okay? Yan po ang maaring magsumira ng kanyang naratibo sa war on drugs na sinasabi nga po ay peke nitong Quadcom. At lumalabas ngayon yung mga ebidensya na linking everything to Michael Yang at yung kanyang mga associates at pabalik dito kay Duterte. So, yun. Makita natin, itong kay Tumang, nakakontempt pa rin. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga lalabas na mga kaso sa kanya at yung mga... Siya yung nandito eh. Siya yung naiwan dito. Umalis na siguro yung dalawa, di ba? So, makita natin kung ano yung mga kaso at ano pa yung malalaman natin sa kanya. Ano pa yung maibubuking niya, mailalabas niya. Okay, so, yun. Abangan natin. So, see you po sa next video. Stay safe parati, guys. Bye-bye.